Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Encountering error code 02048 can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to install or update Microsoft Office. This particular error often pops up if your internet connection is unstable or if there are some corrupted files interfering with the process. But don't worry, it's a common issue, and we're here to guide you through some straightforward solutions. Let's get your Office back on track. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's cover a few basic checks that often do the trick. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can easily interrupt the Office installation. Next, try giving your computer a quick restart. It clears temporary data and can fix surprising issues. Finally, consider clearing your temporary files, as sometimes old data creates unexpected conflicts. These simple steps can save you a lot of trouble. Microsoft provides some really helpful tools specifically for situations like this. You should definitely try running the built-in Office troubleshooter. It's designed to automatically find and fix many common installation problems. For more stubborn issues, the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant is incredibly powerful. Just download it from Microsoft's website and let it guide you through the repair process. Utilizing these official resources can often quickly resolve the error. If the earlier steps haven't worked, we'll move on to some more advanced solutions. First, try repairing your Office installation. You can usually find this option in your computer's Apps and Features settings. If that doesn't fix it, then a complete uninstall and reinstallation might be necessary. This ensures you're starting with a fresh, uncorrupted version of Office. Remember to have your product key or Microsoft account details handy before you begin this process. To avoid future issues, remember to always check that your system meets the minimum requirements for the Office version you're installing. Also, regularly updating your Windows operating system and device drivers can prevent many common software conflicts down the line. If, after trying all these steps, you're still facing error 02048, don't hesitate to contact Microsoft Support directly. They can provide specific, tailored help to get you up and running.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.